To enable Cyncly payments, you will first log into Design Flex and then head to Settings on the left-hand side, click Company Settings, and under the Pay sub-tab, you'll see a button that says Activate Pay. When you click the Activate Pay button, a pricing pop-up will appear for you to confirm the fees for Cyncly payments. After clicking the Activate Pay button, you will be taken directly to the Cyncly Payments application. You will also receive the following email to your inbox, providing you a link to begin your application. The first merchant application screen that you will need to complete is the business section. All fields with a red asterisk are required. Once you finish the business section, proceed to the next page, the owner section. If you need to return to the previous section, use the menu options located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Be sure to complete all required fields for each owner, then click the Add button. If you have additional owners who have 25% or more ownership, you must click the Add a Business Owner link. You are required to provide owner information for all owners that have 25% or more of ownership per card brand requirements. Once you add all the owners with 25% or more of ownership, you will need to designate one person as the account representative. This person must have significant control over the business. To designate that person as the representative, click the Representative checkbox and then the Continue button to proceed to the next screen. The next page opens the financial section where you'll enter your banking information. This account will be used for deposits and fee withdrawals. You must enter your account number twice for verifications. If the numbers do not match, you'll see an error message noting account number does not match. It's important to note that you ensure your bank account can accept deposits and fee withdrawals before processing credit card transactions. After clicking Save on the financial screen, you will see the page here. Click Remove to update your bank account info or Continue if no changes are needed. You will then be taken to the Review and Submit page. If there are any application errors, they will appear on the left menu with a red X. You will need to click on those pages to correct the errors before you're able to click Agree and Submit. After correcting all errors, all sections should have a green check mark. If all items have green check marks, like the image you see here, click the Agree and Submit button to submit your merchant application. You will see your application show a status of submitted. Please allow 1 to 3 business days for the review of your application. In addition, you'll be sent an email confirming that your application has been submitted and a separate email when your application has been approved.